Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So you'll notice that a couple of weeks back I went and shot the Canon PowerShot A80 down in Brighton. Well, the moment I finished with that, I put it back in my camera bag and got out my Sony A7 and went and did more street photography. And what follows is a few clips from that day. Enjoy. So after grabbing a quick coffee, I took a walk back over to the pier. I had a pretty simple setup that day. It was just my A7 with my 28-70 kit lens. The weather wasn't great that afternoon, and there wasn't as many people around as usual, but I was still pretty hopeful that I could get a few good shots. After getting a couple of photos that I was happy with, I thought I'd head back down to the seafront where I knew it would be busier. I quite like this photo. I can't put my finger on why, but I think it's how perfectly he sits between the red carousel on the right hand side and the black box on the left. As I rounded this corner, I saw the perfect opportunity for a photo. I've actually just brought a new lens and I'll be back down in Brighton soon to test that out. So if you're enjoying this video, keep your eyes peeled for that one too. I just wanted to stop and quickly say thank you to everyone that's watching. I've grown a lot quicker this year than I thought I would, and I've nearly surpassed the goals that I'd set myself for my first year in YouTube. So thanks guys. So that pretty much wraps it up for another video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I feel like I'm finally starting to get more comfortable filming in public, and I might even try to start speaking on camera more while I'm out and about. I've got a bunch of videos in the pipeline and I'm aiming to continue 2 videos a month instead of 1, but if there's anything that you want to see, please jump into the comments and let me know. I'll see you in the next one.